this is how I set up my classes in Canvas. And now every school system, their Canvas is a little bit different. But this is how I set up my classes at the beginning of each semester. So the first thing I do is I go down to settings. I will then click on the navigation tab. And then this is where I can decide what my students will see on this left side column here. And so you can navigate this how you'd like. So all you have to do, if there is something you don't want your students to see, all you have to do is click and move down here. And then once you have all the categories that you want your students to see and not see, you will just go ahead and click save. And then you will see over here, you can see right here, it says no content not visible for students. And you can see here, disabled, not visible for students. So like discussions I have open for students to be able to use, but I haven't done anything with it yet. So it just says no content not visible for students. So I use modules to set everything up for my students. And you can see I have the modules set up by the week that we're in. So I have February 10th through the 14th, and then I put all the items that they'll need for my class for that week right here. I feel like that's just about as easy and as organized as I can get it for them so they can find stuff really quick. And then all you do to do this is you see the module button right there. You will click that, type in your month and week that you're working in, click add module, and you'll be, it'll create the module and you can start putting your information in there. And then if you click on view as a student, this will give you an idea of what it all looks like. So click view as a student. You see on here what I was talking about when you're setting up the navigation. There's very few things over here for them. So it's simple for them to click on things. And then this is the view of the modules for them when they go to it. So this is how I set up my classrooms in Canvas. I have found that it has worked. I've been using Canvas for 5-6 years now. If you have any questions about this, just leave them down in the comments and I'll be glad to help however I can.